Smoke from drone-dropped explosives isn't all that's choking the battlefields of eastern Ukraine. Russia's Federal Security Service, FSB, has accused Kyiv of systematically violating the UN's Chemical Weapons Convention, citing the use of chemical agents like chloropicrin, originally developed during World War I, as part of Ukraine's military tactics. In a video released by the FSB, a field operative alleged, "Kyiv's use of prohibited methods of warfare is a common occurrence in the SVO zone. The Ukrainian armed forces systematically use chemical weapons in violation of international obligations under the Chemical Weapons Convention." He added, "This kind of inhumane activity on their part only intensifies as Russian troops advance." The accusation follows the joint discovery by the FSB and Russian Defense Ministry of a concealed arms cache near the village of Ilyinka in the Donetsk People's Republic. The site reportedly contained improvised explosive devices, IEDs, loaded with plastic explosives and chloropicrin, a toxic chemical banned under international law. According to the FSB, the IEDs were designed for deployment via drones, targeting underground shelters where Russian personnel are stationed. In confined spaces, chloropicrin's impact becomes lethal, leading to pulmonary edema and potential death by suffocation with prolonged exposure. A criminal case has been launched under Russia's weapons of mass destruction law. A retired FSB general warned that such chemical tactics echo a darker history. He drew a parallel with 1942, when Nazi Germany used similar suffocating agents to flush out Soviet resistance fighters hiding in the Odessa catacombs, suggesting Ukraine's methods now bear an analogy to those wartime atrocities. The general further revealed concerns over the appearance of psychotropic drugs like Bazit, previously seized by Russian forces. Known to be used by the US Army and some NATO countries, its presence on the front line raises suspicions of foreign sourcing or deeper operational backing. For Moscow, these findings are more than battlefield incidents. They represent a campaign of hidden warfare, one that operates not just with explosives and drones, but with banned toxins and Cold War-era chemicals, dragging modern conflict into the toxic shadows of the past.